Hello everyone, welcome to Gauri's Corner. Till now we have learned simple present tense, present continuous tense, and now it is the time for present perfect tense. You might have learned this in your school, but this is to jog your memory, means to remind your memory for this tense. So let's get started. First, we will start with the sentence construction for the affirmative present perfect tense, and it is subject plus have has plus V3 plus object. And here point to be noted that the V3 is the past participle form of the verb. Also, the point is when to use have and when to use has. So, with the third person singular subject, means he, she or it, we should use the has. And with all other subjects, we should use have. And let's see a simple example for this. It is Ridhima has written a letter. Means Ridhima ने पत्र लिहिलेलं आहे. And here I will be showing the breakdown for this sentence. Let's see one example from Tested Magic.
Kelly, this is not a private school. You can't just write on the walls. Clean up this mess. You got detention. This is a deeply layered question. That you expect me to answer it in the allotted time is the reason this country's educational system is failing our youth.
I've heard enough. Detention.
Here in this video, the context is negative, but the sentences you have got detention or I have heard enough, these are purely affirmative. Right? Meaning, तुला detention मिळालेला आहे. Detention. Now, the sentence construction for the negative present perfect tense. It is subject plus have has plus not plus V3 plus object. Right? And now, the simplest example for this. Ridhima has not written a letter. Ridhima ने पत्र लिहिलेले नाही. Let's see one interesting example.
Wow, she's a little much. A little? She's not even captain yet. Technically, she hasn't even made the team yet. And neither will we if we don't practice. Holy banana pants. We've barely practiced. We're dead. Dunzo.
Moving on to this example, she hasn't even made the team yet. It is prolonged and not so lively in the conversation to say the whole word that she has not even made the team yet. But we should use the short form, that is the has not is converted to hasn't, or have not is converted to haven't. Also, Hannah uses the phrasal verb holy banana pants. What does it mean? It means crazy. Another way to say crazy. Now, the sentence construction for interrogative sentence. Prashnavachak. So, it is WH type word, which is which, where, how, what, plus have, has, plus subject, plus not if it is negative, plus the V3 third form of verb, which is past participle, plus the object. Now, the simplest example for interrogative sentence. Why has she written an application? तिने अर्ज का लिहिलेला आहे. Let's see an interesting example.
Whoa. Did you find out anything about Sojourning Vanilla?
It doesn't exist. But I did learn a lot about cedar closets, vanilla, and Vietnamese monkeys, which FYI have the tiniest noses ever.
How many times have I told you to stay off Wikipedia?
How many times have I told you to stay off Wikipedia? Here I am sharing the breakdown for this interrogative sentence. When we have to ask a question in present perfect tense, but the answer must be in yes or no type, Then the question starts with have, has. An example is, for this sentence, she has written a letter. The interrogative sentence in the answer of yes no type is, has she written a letter? Now we are done with the sentence construction of present perfect tense. But what about the uses? For the uses, stay tuned for the next video. And till then, happy learning!